Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about third normal form 3NF. Third normal form 3NF. A relation said to be in 3NF if both the following conditions must satisfy. The first condition is table must be in 2NF. Second condition is it doesn't have transitive functional dependency. So in the normalization series, this is the new word, transitive functional dependency. So if you get the idea about transitive functional dependency, so then only you get the knowledge on third normal form. So because this is the important one in third normal form, it doesn't have transitive functional dependency. Transitive functional dependency. A functional dependency is said to be in transitive if it is indirectly formed by two functional dependencies. So functional dependency means non-key attribute depends on key attribute is called functional dependency. Is said to be transitive if it is indirectly formed by two functional dependencies. Means, so I want to give one example here. By seeing this example, you will get the idea about transitive functional dependency. A is one attribute, C also one attribute. Now here B is also one of the attributes in the given relation. How many attributes here? 3 attributes, A, B, C. If A determines C is a transitive dependency. See if the following functional dependencies hold true. Now see here, A determines B means B depends on A. Again, C depends on B means obviously C depends on C, right? So now A to B, B determines C. C depends on B, again B depends on A. Clear? So if the condition is like this, that is called transitive functional dependency. Now see, A depends on B, again B depends on A. So obviously C depends on A, student table. So in this relation, I have a 3 attributes, SID, A, project ID, B, project name, C. Now I want to retrieve the project name. So in that cases, we should provide project ID. Then only you are able to retrieve the project name. So means project name depends on project ID. Again, project ID depends on student ID. So why? Because so I want to know the which student is doing which project. So in that cases, project name depends on project ID. Again, project ID depends on student ID. So in this case, A, C depends on B, B depends on A. So if we avoid this project ID, so that should be in third normal form. So how to avoid? So obviously, so we have a concept called decomposition. So one relation divided into more than one table. Clear? Called as decomposition. So now here project name depends on SID. So project ID depends on SID, at the same time project name depends on PID. So hope you understand the concept of transitive functional dependency. So in third normal form, so what is the first condition? Table must be in 2NF. Second condition, it doesn't have transitive functional dependency. So you understand the concept of transitive functional dependency. Now I want to take one example. So in the exam point of view, suppose a company wants to store the complete address of each employee. They create a table named employee details that looks like this. So here I have a employee table. So here, so I have few attributes: employee ID, employee name, employee GIP, employee state, employee city, employee district. So now I want to know which employee belongs to which district. Clear? So now if you want to retrieve the employee district, so obviously employee district depends on employee GIP here. So if you know the employee GIF, then only you can retrieve the record of district, right? So now employee district depends on employee GIF. At the same time, employee GIF depends on employee ID, right? So in this relation, what I have to do? So obviously you have to avoid this employee GIF. Clear? So now this table is in transitive functional dependency. So in the third normal form, second condition is we have to avoid transitive functional dependency because employee district depends on employee GIF. Again, employee GIF depends on employee ID. So now here super keys, employee ID, employee ID, employee name. So in the third set, employee ID, employee name, employee GIF, so on, so on. So but candidate key is employee ID. So in this case, I have to divide it into two tables. So we have to decompose the table. To make this table is in 3NF, we have to break the table into two tables to remove the transitive dependency. So here, so I have a two tables. I divide into two tables, employee GIF table and employee table. So here, employee GIF, employee state, employee city, employee district are in first table. Employee ID, employee name, employee GIF is in second table. So now if you divide like this, so if you join these two tables also, data should not be lost, right? Now, by using primary key and foreign key conditions, you can join these tables. So now, employee GIF is a primary key field here. So employee GIF is foreign key field here. Clear? So we can have duplicates in foreign key field, right? So now, in the second table, this is a primary key field. So now by using this condition, you can simply join these two tables, right? So same way, by using these two tables, we can avoid the transitive functional dependency, right? So hope you understand the concept of third normal form. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.